Archana,
hi.
welcome back, love. You've done some driving lessons with us.
Yes.
And you sat here today and did your test with the examiner.
Yes, I'm so excited. I passed my exam. Carmen is a wonderful teacher. His methodology is A+. He gives you the basics, teaches you everything by the rule book, and you just cannot miss once you've taken his classes.
Excellent.
Thank you so much. I don't think I would have been able to pass that without his classes.
Well, have you done any before anywhere else?
No, this is just with you.
One-stop shop.
Yeah.
One stop.
Yeah. So I did 4 classes earlier, and now today the 2 are before the test.
Right. And how did you get to find us? I mean, did you come by word of mouth or?
He's got amazing reviews on the internet, and when I was browsing, everyone had to say just good things about you. There was no negative review, and that's what brought me all the way here. I come from the city, but I chose to come to Port Adelaide just because of the kind of reviews I saw that you had on your website.
Yeah, it was well worth your while, wasn't it?
Yes, absolutely. Worth the while, worth the money.
Yeah, well, we had a chap actually 2 weeks ago come from Port Pirie. It's 300 kilometres away from here.
I know.
So you just never know where the students are coming from.
Well, people know where it's worth it to spend money and where it's not. So.
And that's the value of these videos. People have actually got the opportunity to see someone who's actually real and hear from you firsthand.
Yes, absolutely.
As against a lot of other places where you try and research and there's no information, was there?
Yes, not at all, because when you talk to friends, it depends upon individual person's experience. Some have it good, some have it bad, and these videos really help you to get the real picture. Yeah,
what you're not aware of, or the public, is a lot of these companies have their reviews turned off because they might get too many bad ones.
Yes, I know, they do that.
So, yeah, I suppose the end of the day is, you know, do your due diligence as you've done, and tell me, how's your driving now? How do you feel?
I feel really confident.
You do?
I was driving around, but I was still a little hesitant because I didn't have the actual thing in hand. Now that I've passed, I know that I'm following things by the rule.
Yeah.
So absolutely elated to have, you know, passed it and now being able to get my license fully.
Yeah. No, that's terrific, Archana.
Thank you so much, Carmen.
You're welcome.
Can't say it a million times.
You've been great. Thank you, and all the very best with your family here in Australia.
Thank you.
Settle down, and no doubt we'll see you some more somewhere.
Thank you.
Adelaide's a small place.
Yes.
Ciao for now, and happy and safe motoring.
You too. Thank you. Ciao.
So, bye.